If you've ever looked at your garden and felt like it had potential but just didn't feel special yet, this video is for you. What if I told you that some of the most beautiful garden features don't come from garden centers at all, but from things hiding in your kitchen, garage, or storage room right now? Today we're turning everyday items into eye-catching garden decor that looks intentional, stylish, and surprisingly expensive, without spending much money at all. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening. If this is your first time here, you're in the right place, and if you've been with us for a while, I'm really glad you're back. Before we dive in, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Drop your city or country in the comments so we can see how far this garden community reaches. And as you watch, tell me, are you working with a big backyard, a small patio, or a balcony? Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our daily ideas that help you create a beautiful garden on any budget. Idea number 1. Mason jar wall sconces. The easiest way to make any garden feel warm and inviting is by adding soft light and vertical detail, and mason jar wall sconces do exactly that. Those simple glass jars you may already have at home can instantly turn a plain fence or bare wall into a cozy garden feature. When mounted in a row or cluster, they draw the eye upward and make your space feel more intentional and styled. During the day they add charm and structure, and in the evening they completely transform the mood of your garden with a gentle, welcoming glow. All you need is a few mason jars, some wire or hose clamps, and a wooden board or fence to attach them to. You can place tea lights or solar candles inside for nighttime ambiance, or plant small trailing greenery so they spill softly over the edges. The beauty of this idea is how flexible it is. You can go rustic, modern, or cottage style, depending on how you arrange them. Best of all, it's incredibly affordable, and gives your garden that designed look without spending designer money. Idea number 2. Ladder plant display. That old wooden ladder sitting in your garage or backyard might look useless right now, but it can become one of the most eye-catching features in your garden. A ladder plant display instantly adds height, structure, and character, especially in small spaces where you want to grow more without taking up extra ground area. When leaned against a fence or wall, it naturally creates layers, allowing your plants to shine without feeling cluttered. It's one of those pieces that makes people stop and ask, "Where did you buy that?" Each rung becomes a natural shelf for pots, giving you the freedom to mix herbs, flowers, and trailing plants in a way that feels balanced and relaxed. Larger pots work beautifully on the lower steps, while lighter, smaller plants can climb upward for a cascading effect. You can leave the ladder weathered for a rustic, cottage garden look, or paint it to match your outdoor space for something more polished. This simple upcycle turns a forgotten tool into a vertical garden feature that looks thoughtfully designed and costs almost nothing to create. Idea number 3. Upside down umbrella planter. This is one of those garden ideas that instantly sparks curiosity and personality. An upside-down umbrella planter takes something broken or forgotten and turns it into a playful, artistic feature that feels completely unexpected. When hung from a tree branch or mounted on a post, it creates natural depth and movement in your garden. The curved shape of the umbrella allows plants to spill outward and downward, giving you that lush, overflowing look people usually associate with expensive hanging baskets. Old umbrellas are perfect for this, because they already have built-in structure and character. Once flipped and secured, you can fill them with soil and plant trailing flowers or greenery that will cascade over the edges as they grow. Colorful umbrellas add a cheerful, whimsical touch, while neutral or vintage ones bring in a softer, charming feel. It's a conversation-starting piece that proves garden beauty doesn't come from perfection, but from creativity and the courage to try something different. Idea number 4. Spoon and fork windchimes. Adding sound to your garden can completely change how it feels, and spoon and fork windchimes do this in the most charming, unexpected way. Using old or mismatched cutlery gives your space a touch of character while creating gentle movement and soft music whenever the breeze passes through. Hung from a tree, pergola, or shepherd's hook, these windchimes bring life to quiet corners and make your garden feel calm, personal, and welcoming. The beauty of this idea is how organic and imperfect it can be. Slightly bent spoons and forks catch the light differently and create unique tones when they touch. You can hang them at varying lengths for visual balance and a more layered sound. Over time, the metal develops a beautiful aged finish that blends perfectly into outdoor spaces. It's a simple project, but one that adds atmosphere, texture, and a sense of peace to your garden without costing a thing. Idea number 5. Cinder block vertical herb spiral. If you want something that's both beautiful and practical, a cinder block herb spiral is a brilliant solution. Instead of hiding cinder blocks, this idea turns them into a sculptural feature that feels intentional and modern. Arranged in a gentle spiral, the structure naturally draws attention while giving your garden a strong focal point. It works especially well in small spaces where you want to grow more without spreading out. Each opening in the blocks becomes a planting pocket, making it easy to grow a variety of herbs in one compact area. Herbs that love heat and drier soil do well toward the top, while moisture-loving plants thrive closer to the base. The blocks also help regulate temperature, protecting roots during hot days and cooler nights. What makes this idea so satisfying is how functional it is. It looks impressive, makes harvesting easy, and costs very little, since cinder blocks are often cheap or even free. Idea number 6. Dish drainer, succulent frame. This is one of those ideas that looks like it came straight out of a design magazine, yet it starts with something most people overlook. A wire dish drainer has the perfect structure for a vertical succulent garden, giving you clean lines, natural spacing, and built-in drainage. When filled with succulents and mounted on a wall or fence, it becomes living wall art that adds texture, depth, and a modern edge to your garden. It works beautifully in small spaces where you want visual impact without using up ground space. What really makes this project shine is how easy it is to maintain once it's set up. By lining the drainer with fabric or coconut fiber and filling it with the right soil, the plants can root in securely before being displayed vertically. Succulents thrive in this setup because excess water drains easily, reducing the risk of rot. As the plants grow, they fill in the grid naturally, softening the metal frame and creating a rich layered look. The contrast between the structured wire and the organic shapes of the plants gives your garden a creative, thoughtfully styled feel that looks far more expensive than it actually is. Idea number 7. Coffee can lantern path lights. Lighting can completely change how your garden feels after sunset, and coffee can lanterns are a simple way to create that warm, inviting glow along walkways and borders. These handmade lanterns add character and charm, while guiding you through the garden at night. When placed along a path or around seating areas, they create a soft, scattered light that feels cozy rather than harsh, making your outdoor space more welcoming and relaxed. What makes this idea special is how personal and creative it can be. Each punched pattern becomes its own design, casting beautiful shadows onto the ground once the light is inside. Whether you choose stars, flowers, or simple geometric shapes, the result feels intentional and unique. Painted or left natural, these lanterns bring a handmade touch that blends beautifully with plants and stone. Best of all, they turn something you would normally throw away into a feature that feels thoughtful, magical, and full of atmosphere. Idea number 8. Bookshelf herb garden station. An old bookshelf can become one of the most useful and attractive features in your garden when it's given a new purpose. Instead of letting it sit unused, bringing it outdoors creates instant structure and organization while adding vertical interest. Placed against a wall or fence, a bookshelf herb station makes your garden feel more intentional, almost like an outdoor room where everything has its place. It's especially helpful if you love gardening but hate searching for tools or herbs when you need them. Each shelf can serve a different purpose, which is what makes this idea so satisfying. One level can hold potted herbs ready for cooking. Another can store tools, watering cans, or twine, and the top can act as a small potting surface. With a simple coat of weather-resistant paint or sealant, the shelf holds up beautifully outdoors and blends into your garden style. This project doesn't just look good, it makes gardening easier, more enjoyable, and far more organized without spending much money at all. Idea number 9. Vintage shutter plant. Holder old wooden shutters are a treasure for creating rustic functional garden decor. When mounted on a fence or wall, they instantly add character, texture and vertical interest to any outdoor space. The slats naturally hold small pots or allow you to attach narrow shelves, making it easy to display a variety of plants in a compact area. This setup brings that French country or cottage garden vibe that feels effortlessly charming and curated. The versatility of shutters is what makes them so appealing. You can leave them natural to show off the weathered wood, or paint them in soft colors like sage green, pale blue, or cream to match your garden theme. A pair of shutters can create a corner display, while a single shutter can act as a focal point for a wall of flowers or herbs. Best of all, shutters are often free or inexpensive from salvage yards, making this a budget-friendly project that turns forgotten materials into a standout garden feature. Idea number 10, Muffin Tin Fairy Garden. Here's a whimsical idea that brings a touch of magic to any garden. A muffin tin fairy garden. Each cup of the tin becomes its own tiny scene, allowing you to plant miniature varieties, mosses or tiny herbs, and decorate with pebbles, figurines, or small garden furniture. The result is a playful, interactive feature that captures attention and sparks imagination, whether you're creating it for yourself, for children, or as a conversation piece for guests. Muffin tin gardens are incredibly flexible. You can display them horizontally on a table for an accessible miniature landscape, or mount them vertically on a fence for a living piece of art. The small scale makes it easy to experiment with colors, textures, and plant arrangements, and it's perfect for teaching kids about gardening without overwhelming them. What starts as a simple kitchen item transforms into a charming, memorable feature that adds personality, nostalgia, and a sense of wonder to your garden, all for next to nothing. Idea number 11, Wooden Spoon Garden Markers. Wooden spoons get a second life as charming, rustic garden markers that are both practical and decorative. Simply write the names of your plants on the handles, using a permanent marker or paint pen, then seal them with a clear outdoor varnish to withstand weather. Placing them in the soil next to your herbs, flowers, or vegetables keeps your garden organized while adding a handcrafted touch that feels personal and thoughtful. This project is perfect for creativity and customization. Use different sizes of spoons, teaspoons for small herbs, large serving spoons for bigger plants, to create visual variety. You can leave the spoon bowls natural, paint them in soft colors, or even add small decorative elements for extra charm. Kids can get involved too, decorating their own markers, which makes it a fun family activity. With little cost and lots of potential for personality, these spoon markers elevate your garden style while helping you stay organized. Idea number 12, Garden Hose Wreath Frame. Turn an old leaky garden hose into a unique and functional garden feature by creating a living wreath frame. Coil the hose into a circle, securing it at several points with zip ties or wire, and then wrap it with landscape fabric or burlap to create pockets for planting. This transforms something that would normally go to waste into a creative, vertical planter that adds texture, greenery, and visual interest to your outdoor space. Once filled with soil, the pockets can hold trailing succulents, small flowering plants, or even strawberries. Hang it on a fence, garden gate, or lay it flat on a table for a living centerpiece. The rubber hose is naturally weather resistant, so your wreath will last for years, and the dark color can even help absorb heat, which some plants love. It's a clever and ironic twist, turning a watering tool into a piece that needs watering, while giving your garden a fun, personal, and highly creative focal point. Idea number 13, Chandelier Strawberry Planter. Give your garden a touch of elegance and whimsy with a chandelier turned planter. By repurposing an old chandelier, you can create a hanging display for strawberries, herbs, or trailing flowers that immediately becomes a conversation starter. The arms of the chandelier naturally support small pots, or allow you to hang them with S-hooks, giving you multiple layers and an eye-catching structure that feels both luxurious and playful. Start by cleaning the chandelier and removing any electrical components for safety. Spray paint it if you like. Glossy white, weathered bronze, or even a bright pop of color can enhance its style. Fill the pots with cascading plants, allowing them to drape naturally over the edges, and hang the chandelier from a strong tree branch or pergola beam. The mix of ornate metal and organic greenery creates a striking contrast, blending elegance with rustic charm. It's a high-impact project that looks like it cost hundreds, but starts with a thrifted or even free piece. Idea number 14. PVC pipey vertical garden tower for gardens with limited space. A PVC pipey vertical garden tower is a game changer. By drilling holes in a tall pipe and filling them with soil, you can grow a surprising number of plants, herbs, flowers, or even small vegetables, without taking up much ground space. This vertical approach maximizes your growing area, making it perfect for patios, balconies, or compact backyard corners. The spiral arrangement of the holes ensures each plant gets enough light and room to grow, while the pipe itself can be freestanding or mounted against a wall. You can even paint the PVC to match your garden's aesthetic, from bright colors to natural tones. This tower creates a striking visual effect, while providing a practical growing solution, offering 20-30 planting spots in the footprint of just 1 square foot. It's an affordable space-saving project that combines clever design with real gardening utility. Idea number 15. Denim pocket wall planters. For a truly personal and creative garden feature, turn old jeans into denim pocket wall planters. The back pockets of worn-out jeans become perfect little containers for small herbs, succulents, or trailing plants. By attaching them to a wooden fence, shed, or board, you can create a vertical garden that's full of character and charm. The mix of denim washes, from light blues to deep indigos, adds texture and visual interest, while the natural fibers allow plants to breathe and drain easily. This project is both practical and sentimental. Each pocket can be lined with landscape fabric to prevent soil from escaping and protect the denim from excess moisture, ensuring your plants thrive. Over time, the denim naturally weathers, developing a soft rustic look that only adds to its charm. You can mix in pockets from different pairs of jeans, even old ones your kids have outgrown, creating a family-inspired garden installation. It's a wonderful way to recycle materials, add a playful and cozy aesthetic to your garden, and turn something once forgotten into a lively, living piece of art that tells a story. And there you have it. 15 incredible ways to transform your garden using items you probably already have lying around the house. From mason jars that bring soft twinkling light to ladders that create vertical displays, to quirky upside-down umbrellas, and even repurposed chandeliers, each idea proves one simple truth. You don't need a huge budget or a fancy garden store haul to create beauty, charm, and personality in your outdoor space. What really matters is creativity, vision, and the willingness to see potential where others might see clutter. These projects show how ordinary objects, things we often toss aside or overlook, can be elevated into stunning focal points, playful accents, or functional features that bring both visual interest and practical use. Your garden can become a living gallery, a place that tells a story of resourcefulness and imagination, rather than just a space with plants in the ground. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 15 ideas sparked your excitement the most? Do you already have clever upcycling projects in your garden that you're proud of? Share your experiences in the comments, because this community thrives on inspiration and shared creativity. When we exchange ideas, tips, and successes, it's like planting seeds that grow into even more amazing projects for everyone to enjoy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a daily dose of garden inspiration. Remember, a beautiful garden isn't defined by the money you spend. It's defined by imagination, heart, and the small touches that make it truly yours. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and above all, keep growing. Your garden is a canvas, and every jar, ladder, spoon, or jean pocket is a brushstroke, adding to the masterpiece that's uniquely you. Happy gardening!